Hi everyone, it's Vicki and welcome to my channel, and today is a Dia day. I've been getting the Dia and Company subscription box for well over a year, maybe even close to a year and a half. I've never done a video on it, an unboxing, but I'm going to do that today and see what's in it. The reason that I went with this subscription box is I don't like to shop in malls or anything like that, and frankly I kind of got sick of online shopping too, because you just never know. And this way it forces me to add a few items to my wardrobe as other items wear out, and I haven't had to go pick them out or spend time online, and I kind of like it. There's several subscription boxes out there. They all have like a minimum charge of like $20-25 for a stylist fee, and the shipping to you and shipping back is no charge. So if you purchase an item, then you get to subtract your stylist fee. So then it's no cost to you other than that of the item. So let's get started. So it always starts with an envelope telling you what's in here. It says, thanks for letting us style you. It's got all the items listed. I'm not going to read them at the moment. I'm going to wait and just be surprised. What does she say? She's excited that I'm back. It was an incredible experience getting to know me. Let's continue to build your wardrobe. I'm so thrilled to add... Oh, I don't want to read it because it's telling me some stuff. I had asked for maybe some white jeans or white crop pants. They'd given me white jeans before, but they were skinny jeans and, you know, super tight. And white and skinny, not for me. But here's the bag that you return stuff in. It's postage paid. It's real easy. You just drop it off at the post office. And here is the items in my box. Get it out. Let's see how it looks. And there it is. Ooh, this side's probably much better. You can see that I got something floral and some jeans. I think there's usually like 5 items. Well, the very first item appears to be it's shorts. No, it's a skirt. It's a denim. Can you see it? A denim skirt. Well, I'm pretty sure that I won't be keeping this. Not that I have anything against denim skirts. I think they're very cute. But I don't wear skirts above my knees, and this looks short. I'm long-legged, so I know it's going to be short. But I'll probably try it on for you. It depends on how bad it looks, I guess. How embarrassed I would be. And, oh, a maxi dress. I like maxi dresses. Let's see. Okay, this is the front. Love the colors. It's all my favorite colors. Peach, coral, teal, or aqua, turquoise, whatever. So it's got a pretty color. Oh, and look at the hem. The hem is a contrast hem. Oh, you can't see it from that side. Sorry, that's a slit. Contrast hem. So, anxious to see this. Oh, what is this size on this one? It seems small, but I guess I'll know more when I try it on. So, that's that. And so, item number 3 is red, or fuchsia, I'm not sure, by New York Laundry. Oh, I forgot to say what these are. Okay. The maxi dress is London Times. The denim skirt is Morgan & Walker. And let's see. This is soft. This is like a t-shirt material here. Yes, definitely. And it's got some, looks like gathering, and you can probably see it better than me. Oh, and ties. Oh, and it looks like it has a shark bite bottom. So, if the color looks good, that might be a contender. Let's see. And then here is something by City Chic. Oh, okay. It is a blouse, a more dressy blouse, with a flutter sleeve. This looks like something you could wear with pants to work, maybe. Oh, it's a cold shoulder. You can see that. And then a flutter sleeve. It's a pretty print. Wait a minute. Oh no, that's just a wrinkle. I thought it had a rip there for a minute. But, so that's that. And then the last item is a pair of white jeans, and they are made by Morgan & Walker. And there they are. Oh no, they're not jeans, they're capris. And that'll work for me just fine. jeans or capris, either one. What does it say? Okay. So just real quick, let me grab what it says. Well, let's see what she said. She says, I'm so thrilled to add in a pair of white crop pants like you're looking for. These are sure to be a nice staple in your spring-summer closet. Pair these with a linea blouse and flats for a chic style. Try a laid-back look with the jean skirt and the simple and soft Annabelle tee and sandals. That must be this one, the red one. For any upcoming cruises, rock the Lawrence dress, wedges, and a statement necklace for a stunning look. Enjoy these. Enjoy trying these on, and remember, these clothes are just fabric. It's your confidence that makes them fabulous. I hope you like everything. I can't wait to read your feedback, and it's from Kristen S., and she's been the person who styled my box. I think this is like the 5th box, and she's done an excellent job, I have to say. And let's see, okay. So the denim skirt is the first one on the list. The Morgan and Walker denim skirt in a medium wash is $59. I don't even know how much denim skirts cost because I've never purchased one. I have made denim skirts before. It has a little extra button here. I was trying to figure out what is making a noise. I used to make these back in the day. I haven't done it in forever. Turning jeans into a skirt or overalls into a jumper. So that's $59. The lace-up shark bite blouse in pink. That's what, okay. This one here. This is $42. The London Times maxi dress in the colors that I absolutely love is $75. The cold shoulder blouse, the City Chic cold shoulder blouse, is $69. It's black and purple, it says. That's the only way I'm going to wear purple is if it's in a floral like this. It's my color I usually wear. And then the Whitman Capri with frayed hem are $65. So that's those. Now what it says is that the merchandise total that I just read you is $310. If you subtract the $20 styling fee, so if you take any item, you get to take the $20 off. So that'll bring that down to $290. And then if you were to purchase everything, then you would get 25% off, which is another $77.50 off. So for the whole box, it would be $212.50. So it's almost $100 savings. It's like $97.50 with my quick math. So I will shortly try these on and come back and show you what I think. Okay, so here's my first item. This is the New York Laundry Annabelle Lace-Up Shark Bite Blouse in a 2X in pink, and it is $42. See the detail? It's very soft. It's a very nice fit. I just have it on with my jeans I wore to work. I just got home from work. But it's very nice. We'll see what's next. Okay, here's my second item. What do you think? It is the City Chic Liana Cold Shoulder Blouse in black and purple in a size large, and it's $69. I don't know, maybe it's supposed to be a little looser. I'm not sure in the body, or if it's, I mean, it's not tight, but when I first put it on, it kind of felt that way, but now it's sort of shifted into place. It has this detail that it flips over though. It's doing okay now, but it was flipping over. I'm not sure. I got in love with it, but maybe I'm just not used to it. So you tell me what you think about it in the comments. But here's one last look at the little detail there. Okay, so I have on the denim skirt. I can't tell what it looks like on yet because I'm not in a room with a mirror. But I like skirts to come down at least to the middle of my knee. I think this might be close. Can't tell yet. It fits good everywhere. I mean, it's got give. It's stretchy. If it does look good and it fits, I'm tickled pink, because I don't think I've ever had a short denim skirt or anything other than a maxi kind of denim skirt made from recycled jeans in the 70s. So you tell me. It feels good here. I think it's okay here in the problem areas. But, and then I just have I put the shark bag shirt on again just to wear with it. But so you tell me in the comments what you think. I don't know. I haven't seen it yet. You're seeing it before me. Okay, so this is the last item I'm going to try on. I did try on the white cropped jeans, and those are a no-go. I really couldn't get them up comfortably, so I never even had them all the way up to my hips. They were tight-legged, and I don't like tight-thighed pants. So, but this is the London Times Lawrence maxi dress in red azure blue and a 2X for $75. I did go in and look at it in just a short mirror in the bathroom because something felt weird when I was putting it on. I wasn't sure I had it on right. And I don't know if it's because I'm short-waisted or what, but I don't know if this part here, this seam is supposed to be up here. And if it is, then it's really unflattering right here. Or if it's supposed to be at my natural waistline, which it's not quite there. I don't know. I don't think it does. I don't know. It just doesn't feel like it fits quite right. And when I pull it down, it even makes it feel a little snugger there, I guess. So I don't know. I'm going to pull it up, but then it's unflattering here. But I will show it to you. Ow. Bolt, don't bite me. Bolt's biting me. It's a puppy. Stop. No. So, this is it. I don't think I'm going to keep this for sure. I'm pretty sure on that. It has an interesting bottom. It has a, I don't want to show too much there. It has a double slit. Do you see that? Which makes it very easy to walk in. You know how some maxis are, you can stumble over them. But so, those are my items. The maxi dress is a no. The denim skirt, I'm going to have to see in front of a mirror. The tee, I'm not sure of. We'll see how it looks with the skirt, and it's a maybe. And this one is another maybe. It's my only complaint about it is this ruffle that's on it flips a lot, and you see the underside. If they were going to do that, then they probably should have done two of the fabrics sewn together so that there was no inside showing. But I do like it. And the pants are an absolute no way. Just going to have a little wider leg for me to feel comfortable wearing white trousers. So that's my Dia & Company or Dia & Co box for March. Thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you've been here before, thank you. And give me a thumbs up, would ya? Comments are welcome below.